Hello everyone, this is Siddharth Kangan and this is a tutorial about Lucene search. So this is the process right here. We have the raw document which is sent to the analyzer. As the name suggests, it analyzes the documents and separates the tokens and words, and all the words are converted into lowercase, top words are removed, and the process called stemming is done, which is nothing but normalizing different forms of the same word, and then the index are written into a directory. So this is about the process of update, and when we search, these are the different queries that we can give it in, and once the query is given, it is again sent to the analyzer and it picks up the index from the directory. So again, there is one more process here which actually determines the top hits. So we actually calculate the cosine distance between the query vector and the document vector over here. So the closest come first, and that's about the process. Let's get to the code. So we need to create a Java project, and we need a supporting jar file which is needed to be uploaded, and that is this Lucene code 3.6.2 jar file. Add it to the project and apply. So we have around 5 classes over here. The Lucene constants class, and here we are defining 3 variables, that is content, file name, and file path. So this is nothing but the types of searches we can do, that is we can search using contents or the file name or the path of the file. And we are also having a variable called max search, that is once we give in a search, it gives the 10 top matches that we find. And this class is again to convert the text file. Actually it applies a filter for .txt files and then converts it into lowercase, and this is a pretty important part where the indexing goes. And here is the main class, and a standard analyzer is set version 3.6, and these are the indexing that takes place, that is via contents, file names, and file path. So we can either search, as said before, using the content of a file or the file name or file path. So either way the index gets the document. And we have the indexing takes place using the add document function, as it is seen over here. It is part of the Lucene library. And next up is the searcher.java. Here we are creating an instance for index searcher and query parser, and here we see that there is this is for top docs, that is it takes into account the match that we have and gives the output of 10 top matches. And how do we find the top matches? It is done using this code doc, that is it gives a value between 0 to 1 between the similarity of the query and the match that we have, and once that is in, 10 top matches is given to the user. And this is the main class that we have, and as we have seen here, we have given, and this is the library files, and here we are given the index directory, that is where the index metadata is stored, and this is the data directory where we have the text files which need to be indexed. So this is the main class of the main function, sorry. And here we see that we are creating a new tester instance, and we are going to search for Mohan. So here are 2 more functions, which this is calling the indexer and this is calling the searcher. And as we see in the output, we give the number of files that has been indexed and the time taken in milliseconds, and in the searcher we give the path of the document that contains the search word, that is Mohan over here. So once all of this is set up, we can run this file. So here we see that the 10 data files that we had in the data directory has been indexed. So I'll give you a quick look at the data directory that I had created. So this is the data directory. I have 10 records, and the record contain information about the students, and we have, as we have run the program, this is the index directory, and we can see the metadata of the index is created as well. And as we have seen, the output of the searcher is the location of the file that matches the search. We see here that it is given the location that is it's in the data directory record4.txt. so if we go back to the data directory, we see that in the record4 we got the search text that we were searching for, that is Mohan. And this is the basics about Lucene search. Hope this was interesting. Thank you.